Okay, this one we got it programming it for the C7 Corvette. Basically, it comes with 2 remote controls. This is the immobilizer kit. We're getting ready to program a kit for a customer. But yeah, if anybody who has a Camaro, C7, Corvettes, any Corvettes, Mustangs, Dodge Challenger, Chargers, Tahoes, pretty much we have it almost for all the vehicles. Just give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. In order to do, you tell us the make and model and year, we'll prep a kit for you for the immobilizer. Starter kill, you just give us a call and give us a make and model and year of your vehicle, and we'll set up a kit for you. Both remote controls are programmed to the kit. Basically, the way it works is you turn off the car, the system engages itself after 30 seconds. You don't have to do anything. And then right before you get inside the car, you got to just press this button here, and that will disable the actual system, and you can start the vehicle. But pretty much when you get out of the car, just turn the key off, and after 40 seconds, it engages itself. And when you jump in, if you try to start the car, it won't start with the push start. You just press this button on the fob. What's up, guys? We got a 2024 Chevy Tahoe. We did the immobilizer. Basically, we try to start the car now. You're gonna see it doesn't start. Now it starts again. The system automatically engages in 40 seconds, so you don't have to do anything. Just turn off the car, walk away, and then in 40 seconds it automatically engages. The only thing you have to do before you start the car, just press this button on the fob, and then the car will start. Otherwise, it won't start. If anybody out of state, give us a call. We do sell the kits. We supply you with the installation video. It's very easy to do.